Welcome to full review on how much time it takes to charge iPhone 13 with Ambrane Solar 22.5 fast charger. As you can see in the video, the Ambrane Solar charger is at 57% before we connect to the iPhone 13 for charging the iPhone. Since the iPhone was fully discharged, it took time for the phone to restart after some charging. Now you can see that the time is 10:48 a.m. when we have connected the phone for charging. We shall wait and compare the time when the phone is fully charged. Now, after some time, we can see that Ambrane Solar Charger indicates 7% of charge reduced from 57% charge at 10:48 a.m. and iPhone 13 is showing fully charged at 12:25 p.m. indicating that it took 1 hour and 77 minutes to fully charge iPhone 13, which has a 3,240 milliamp hours battery capacity. Being a fast charger, the Ambrane Solar Charger is working well as per its fast charging specifications given by the company on its box.